Hey there, how do you handle it when people ask you for trade referrals, but maybe they're not looking to work with you? Is that something that you do in your business? Do you feel comfortable doing that? Are you like, hell no? I'm Jefford. Make sure if you're watching here on YouTube, you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. You'll be notified every time I publish a new video. If you're watching on Instagram, follow along and be sure to DM me. Let me know you're following me and I will follow you back so we can stay connected. All right, so this question comes up quite frequently in my private Facebook group, which is Interior Design Business Strategies. It's a free group, over 5,000 members. If you're not already there, request to join, search it up on Facebook. And basically, it's an acquaintance, someone who is asking a designer, do you happen to know a great window treatment, a seamstress, someone who can help me? She's got her fabric, she knows what kind of, style she wants to have, and she's got the dimensions. She's simply asking a question. And unfortunately, what happens a lot of times is we get it in our head, designers, that, oh, they must be just trying to get something for free, or they're trying to be sneaky and ask for a resource, but they don't want to work with us, when really, they're just asking the question. So I'm scrolling through my phone now because I saved this post because my good friend and the podcaster extraordinaire, LuAnn Nigara from A Well-Designed Business, this is a response that she gave. And by the time I got to this post and I had a look at it and I looked at all the responses, I was like, LuAnn, this is hitting the nail on the head. And I reached out to LuAnn. She's happy for me to share this. So basically what she's saying is her 2 cents is, answer the question asked, nothing more. Schooling her when she really might just be asking for either you to do it or looking for a retail referral could be off-putting. All right, so basically going into like all the reasons why you need to hire the designer and why you can't, shouldn't go and do this on your own and why I won't give you a referral. When someone could just be saying, oh, hey, they're a designer. They probably know someone. I'm just going to reach out and ask them. People aren't necessarily thinking, I'm going to step on her toes or his toes. I'm going to, override them and just want to go straight to the window treatment person. They probably just don't know. Okay, so that's what I love about this answer from LuAnn. She's saying she might really just be thinking, not everything I do in my house requires a designer's opinion, but that doesn't mean that she still doesn't value your opinion and what you do to the project and have it be a higher priority. She might also be thinking, if you are a full service designer, that you wouldn't do just a window treatment, which I thought was a great piece of, advice here from LuAnn, is that that's the thing, right? Is that sometimes I have clients who will on the phone, or potential clients, and they'll say, I'm not doing a full project. I just don't know where to go next in my home with a renovation, or I'm looking to pick some finishes. And they're like, I don't know if my project's too small for you. And imagine how many people maybe don't even reach out to us because they think that we just want the full service, which of course, some designers, that's how you run your business model. But for others, it's great to have these designer by your side, designer for a day, these little services, add-on services, that you can offer to your clients. So LuAnn was saying here, she's had long-time customers. So LuAnn does window treatments. That's what she does at Window Works. She's had long-time customers ask her, can you recommend someone in New York City to do the treatment in my kid's apartment? She'll say, I can do that for you. And she says, really? But it's only 3 rooms. Would you go to New York for that? And she says, absolutely. And she said, oh, but I thought maybe you wanted to do it, but didn't think it was a big enough job for you. And so she's saying, I believe that until and unless she indicates she is actually trying to get your trade resource, right? Answer the question that was asked. That's all you simply have to do. So she asks, is there someone that you can have price this job? So you answer, well, of course, you know that I can do that for you, right? I'd be happy to price this for you. Unless, are you looking to do everything yourself? This is you still carrying on. This is your voice carrying on the conversation. If you want someone to do the measure, if you're going to do the measure and do the install, if that's the case, I'm not really sure who to refer you to. Sorry about that. You can see my workroom is to the trade, but have you searched online? Right? So without getting our knickers in a twist and thinking that people are out to get us, that's in your head, right? And I talked to LuAnn about this. And so, just answer the question that's asked. Like if someone's asking you, hey, do you happen to know an electrician? I have someone right now who's asked me about a painter. Do you have a painter? And my painter is really, I have a couple, but one specifically works with my GC mainly. So, I reached out to my GC and I'm like, that's fine. Like if he's got his painter and the painter is willing to do an extra job, then sure, I'll give them the name. But if I wasn't comfortable doing it, I'd say, you know what, my painters only work for me. I've built these great relationships with them. I can help you with that. Or why don't you go to one of the local paint stores? They usually have a wall of cards of painters that they would recommend. So just be helpful. Answer the question. Don't get upset. And don't jump to conclusions just thinking that they want to bypass you, because they may just not really know that you can help in this way. You know what I mean? So that's what I really wanted to say. And thank you to LuAnn for posting this and for letting me share it. And, you know, I'm Claire Jefford. I'm a certified interior decorator and business coach. And I hope that you follow along here with me, as I said, if you're watching on YouTube, or we stay connected on Instagram. Check out my website. If you want services and rate sheets and free information for downloads, then I have that all for you. Go to my website at clairejefford.com. There'll be links below. And if you're looking for any sort of contract templates, rock the consultation, if you're not rocking your consult, all stuff, I've got great resources for you. It's interiordesignDocuments.com. All right, comment below and let me know. Is this something, how have you handled this in the past? Let me know. All right, see you guys. Cheers.